Hey guys, happy Saturday. I am hosting an open house today in the Stewart Heights section of Woodforest, and I thought that I would give you guys a little bit of a tour. Come on. All right, come on in the front door. Immediately into your front hallway. It's a nice long hallway. These ceilings are so tall, and I love that little detail inside of that recessed ceiling. That's really cool. And they've got some really neat light fixtures too. That's pretty cool. So this is a look from your front door. We're going to turn to our right, and this is our first bedroom. Those windows look out to the front. Really nice wood detail there. It does have a full ensuite. Tile flooring. And this room is a nice big size. It's really pretty. All right, we're going to come on over back into your front hallway. This house is up for $525,000. It is built in 2004. It's just over 2,600 square feet, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is our laundry room. Nice and deep, so you do have plenty of space for a refrigerator, and you've got those built-ins for storage. Look at that, isn't that cute? The owners here have really great taste. All right, into our office. There is so much natural light in this house. And again, that wood detail up on the super high recessed ceiling is fantastic. And that's a nice big space. You've got your glass double doors. If you turn over to the right, we're going to walk down. Huge kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas range. I love that backsplash. Nice neutral colors. And this flooring is a wood tile, which I actually really like over just luxury vinyl. Huge pantry. This is a Perry. Oh, you see these pantries, corner pantries a lot in Perry homes. So lots of space. You have a little coffee bar, little buffet, and into the living room. So this is your look into the kitchen from your living room. Everything is nice and open and wide. Lots of natural light in here. Let's go check out our guest bedrooms before we get down to the primary. So in here, you've got your guest bath. It is a full bath, and that's just right off of the living room. So good size. You do have this really cool nook right here, right off of the garage. Backpacks, shoes. That's nice. Keep things nice and organized. Here we go. We've got bedroom number 2. Nice big bedroom. Let me see if I can lower this. Big bedroom. You're going to turn around, and right behind you, you have bedroom 3. So it is a 4-bedroom. Some storage right there. Back into this gorgeous living room. There is a gas log fireplace, and look at the detail on that. That's really neat. All right, so more storage off to your right, and then into the primary. Again, with the natural light. This house feels nice and light and airy. Deep master. You've got your ensuite double doors. spa-like primary bath. Stand-up shower, granite countertops, his and hers vanities. So that's either hers or his. And then you've got the other on the other side. Deep stand-up shower and into the primary closet. So you have his and hers closets in here also. So you've got some built-ins in there. You've got a lot of space. If you turn to your left, you've got his closet. Not as big as hers, but that's okay. Still got plenty of space in there. We're going to go back through back into the living, and there's a huge back patio. It also does not have back neighbors, and this lot is gigantic. I'll show you. So huge back porch covered, plenty of space. And then that lot goes all the way down there. Of course, you can see there's no back neighbors. Giant lot. You have plenty of room for a pool. And the lot even goes further when you're going back this way. It goes back, it wraps back around there. So it is sizable. So, all right, guys, well, thank you for tuning in. I will see you next time.